What's good, Wave Gang? We're back with another one. Same spot again today, but it's something different. Doing up a little behind the scenes of Ghetts' music video. That's what's going on today. Ghetts did a music video shoot. And this guy here is out here snapping off his plate, 24s. Just missed the flip, like literally like by like 30 seconds. He just flipped it. How many times already? One today. A few more to come probably though. Put it in the work, mate. He's putting in the work, he's putting in the hours, putting in the graft and that. But yeah, man, it's looking lit today. Ghetts is about somewhere on his quad doing a madness. Don't crash into me, mate. Hey. Ah, you're looking a bit shook. What's happening? That then? Yeah, mate. Come on. Oh! Man, like Carlos out here with a drone. What was that noise, bruv?
Propeller on the wrong way.
Like that is a big fucking dog. Hello, boy.
Cash.
You are a big fucker, innit? You are a big fucker, innit? Brother. That is a bear. Big bastard. Fucking hell. Man came out with the lion.
Jumbo bully.
Oh, every time. Bro, you know, I'm looking at the thing now. I'm trying to say, hey, let them know what we're doing though, innit?
Fire and Brimstone shoot featuring Dizzee, Rascal.
You already know.
Yeah.
Big bike live shoots and that. Aye, what you saying? Next one on the cards is the Rough Rider Anthem remix.
Come on, bro. Let them
Gonna take over. Dust in my eyes, bro. I ain't got no fucking goggles on, bro. I'm not trying to fucking pepper my eyeballs, bro. Look. The whole thing active. Got man like PX fast visuals. Come on.
These are mad. Hey. Jeez. Go again, I missed it. Shook. To Baines, bruv. Here he goes. Hey.
Alright, so I'm having a bad day today. I've come out to the shoot and that, and I've left the fucking spare battery for my camera at home. The battery just went, and I ain't got no other battery. So now we're filming on GoPro, bitches. That gets holding cash now.
Don't Dizzee. The people are smoking.
He's got ears. Leave him alone. He's got ears.
These are funny.
You gotta get that one, D.
Nah, what? I cash.
Hello. No. For real, he looks like he's gonna eat it.
Allah, he's looking hungry. The little thing and the big thing.
I got the opposite sex. What's going on here?
No, but his tail's wagging now, he's good.
Yo, easy, big boy. Easy, big boy. It's alright.
That pug's like, that is a big motherfucking dog.
What the fuck?
This thing's a lion, fam. I'm telling
Oh,
you.
it's a female.
Yeah.
Yo, that's not even fair. Oh, that's a female.
We acted though.
That's the last time.
Go on. I don't know. Do you want us to go again? Man, like Dizzee, you know. We saying fight like Dizzee now. Out here. Big 700 power. Go on, let me see a little something.
You're gonna get me fucked up. I don't know what I'm doing.
No, chill. Hey, what are you saying? You ain't rid one of them before? Never? Ain't catching me, man.
Shit, man.
Oh! No, I was in like 4th gear. That was a mad thing. The man was just trying to kill switch each other and kick each other off their bikes.
It's a very dangerous, but it should be a legal game.
It's quite fun though.
Shut your mouth.
Fuck you.
Ha! Alright guys, yeah, mine's off, bitch. Mine's off, bitch. 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 Gang. Cheers. Alright guys. I stop, gang. In a bit. I'm gonna get a couple man right now. What's this? Gotcha, Rich! Fucking hell, mate. You weren't trying to give up. You weren't trying to give up. Oh. Don't kill switch your fucking YZ250. Oh, here you go. You can have a fucking 250, you ain't catching me on a little stomp. I'm telling you now, I ain't getting kill switched out here. Kill switch king. This guy's not letting me chill, bro. But I'm not trying to get kill switched at all today. He's trying to take